In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your customer accounts and sign-in links on Shopify. Whether you're a new store owner or someone looking to refine your understanding of Shopify's interface, this tutorial will guide you step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Shopify's homepage. Once signed into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll typically find your main navigation options. This panel is your control center, allowing you to manage different aspects of your store, from products to customers and beyond. Now, look for the Settings option in this panel. Clicking on this will open a list of all the settings you can customize for your store. This area is crucial as it contains various settings that dictate how your store operates. Next, you will need to locate and click on the Customer Accounts tab within the Settings menu. This section is particularly important for managing how your customers interact with your online store. Here, you can configure options relating to customer accounts that will affect how customers register and log in. Once you're in the Customer Accounts area, focus on the Sign-in Links section. Selecting this will take you to the page that handles how your customers can sign into their accounts. Sign-in links are essential as they determine how secure and accessible your login process is. Take the time to review the options here. You may want to customize how these links appear, and perhaps adjust settings to better fit the branding or functional needs of your store. Feel free to revisit the Customer Accounts section if you need to double-check any specific details or if there are other related settings you'd like to explore. This is your opportunity to ensure that everything is tailored to provide the best possible experience for your customers. Exploring these settings thoroughly can greatly enhance the way your store functions and the quality of service your customers receive. Make sure to save any changes you make along the way to ensure they take effect. By following this guide, you'll be well equipped to manage your customer accounts on Shopify more efficiently. Understanding these options can lead to increased customer satisfaction and a smoother shopping experience. Remember, the settings you choose will have a direct impact on how your customers interact with your store, so take the time to review and adjust them according to your needs. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content aimed at helping you make the most of your Shopify store. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.